Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a very special one, and it's going to be a very quick one, but it is an official announcement to let you guys know that my first ever Domestika course is going to be launched on Friday the 7th of October, and I am so excited to announce this. It's been such a pleasure working with Domestika on this course for the last year or so, and I'm so excited to actually have it launch. So if you guys are interested in purchasing or interested in finding out more information about the course, it is currently on a pre-sale, so there is currently a discount going for the course until it launches, and then that is when the course becomes fully accessible. If you'd like to find out more about the course, you can actually follow the link down in the description box below, and you can see the trailer to find out exactly what's in the course and have a look at the curriculum. As a brief overview, this course is going to be about retouching for a diverse range of skin tones. So this is really one area I feel that I haven't focused too much on my channel overall, and I really wanted to delve into how to retouch for deeper skin tones, how to retouch for freckled skin tones, for blemish prone skin. I really wanted to cover all of those kinds of areas where I haven't really done so much on my YouTube channel so far. And I also do get a lot of questions relating to these topics, so I felt it was really time to release a course like this, and when Domestika approached me, I literally couldn't say no. It was such a great opportunity. So I'm so excited, as I said, for you guys to see the course and to really see me delve a little bit deeper into skin retouching overall. As I said, the course is on a pre-sale at the moment, so you can get it at a very large discount until it is released on the 7th of October. The only thing you'll need for this course is a computer, Wi-Fi, and Adobe Photoshop. Everything that we'll be covering will basically just need 3 of those things, and that is pretty much it. You can also use a graphics tablet if you have one, but if you don't have one as well, that's okay. I always recommend using a graphics tablet, especially for retouching courses like this, because I think it definitely is a lot easier for students to learn and really find out some of the detailed elements of retouching. So once again, if you're interested in seeing the trailer or you want to find out more about the course, please click the link in the description box below. I'm so keen to get into the Domestika forum for the course and really chat to you guys who do end up signing up for the course, and I'm just so happy overall. It's just been such a great experience doing this, and I'm so very happy to have released a course that just delves a little bit deeper into retouching skills, and especially with these particular topics. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you there. Bye!